Alright, I have a great news for you. So Zscalar is providing almost 50% discount vouchers on the certifications. It is actually somewhat more than that, what I have found. If you look, it's $300, right? And whenever we'll be applying, it will be around something $100, more than 50%. I think it depends on the country, but let's find it out. So all these certifications, what you are seeing here, are will be available at very low price for a limited period of time. So please do not skip this video, otherwise it will confuse. So first things first, I'll put the link in the description box for this page. You got to fill up the registration page. Basically fill up your email ID, phone number. These are the mandatory. Click on register. Once done, please note you'll get an email to reset your password and all those things, right, to for a password. Now there is another form for the Pearson VUE exam registration. So please note, this registration form has nothing to do with this registration form. You got to create two accounts, one for the academy, this one is for your learning purpose, and this one is for your appearing for the exam to apply the voucher. So here again, if you don't have an account, you got to create an account. Then you got to follow these steps. You'll get the Zscalar ID once you register using this. Once you get the ID, while creating the Pearson VUE, it will ask for it. So you got to put it up and then log in. So I've already logged in now to the Pearson VUE. Let's select one of the exam. I'll select one, transformation admin. Let me try out with different one because I have already selected. Maybe I need to remove it from the cart. Alright, I have removed from the cart. Let me try it out once again. Yeah, there we go. Now let's select whether you want in person or online. I'll select online. Let's click on next. Let's select English because I'm familiar with English. I'll go with next. Now let's quickly check mark this boxes, tick mark. Once done, let's click on agree. Let's select on next. Time zone, let's select that's right. Now let's select the date in which we want to pay the exam. I'll put one date, 31st July maybe. I'll select the time. If the time looks good, we can explore more times. For now, for this demonstration, I'll book this appointment. Now here, if you look the total price, please do not get scared with this. I'll make it almost the half, the 50%. Let's click on proceed to check out. Now here, please follow close attention. I'll apply the voucher. I'll select add promo code. I'll paste my voucher. Once the voucher is pasted, I'll now click on apply. So before applying, please note the value. It's almost 10,700 something in INR. I'll click on apply. And there we go. It's just reduced to 50%. That is America's 250th birthday celebration. And it's almost 50%. So that's what it goes. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues who are into cyber security, because there are tons of certification here. The Zscalar digital transformation engineer, the digital experience admin, or transformation admin, any of the certification, 50% discount. That's just like this, they can avail for a limited period of time. And please do consider subscribing to the channel. Subscribing is absolutely free. I regularly upload videos related to high paying IT certification and vouchers, which will save you tons of bucks. We are almost there for 5,000 subscribers. Please do support. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next video.